tools do you use for data collection?
Aha. So I'm pretty old school, so we document. Our guys send in reports because that's just the way that I started back in the 90s. I actually did 3x5 cars where I wrote every stop down to every customer. We don't do that as much anymore, but our production guys, with our kind of data-driven stuff, they're sending in weekly reports. And then, of course, we're able to also, we've got GPS tracking, which is huge. It's not like we don't trust our folks, but we want to make sure that lines up in case something is awry. And then we're able to run reports on service type to be able to kind of double check to make sure their reports are lining up with what our software says. So pretty simple. So we've got, and we've tried it 2 different ways, but those 2 lined up together. If there's ever any mistakes on payroll or anything like that, the guys can lean back on the reports and be somewhat responsible for their end of the reporting. So that's my answer to that question.
It's pretty cool. That was live from Jay Vincent in the middle of Indiana.